Before we talk about editing, posting, or sharing your homily, we need to solve a basic but critical problem: actually keeping track of your homilies. Right now, if you wanted to find last Sunday's homily, where would you go? Maybe it's somewhere on Facebook, buried in your live streams, maybe it's still in your church's YouTube channel, or maybe you don't even have a recording at all. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Most priests I talk to have no system for storing or organizing their homilies, and it creates two major problems. One is you waste time searching for past homilies, and two is you lose incredible content that could still be used for evangelizing today. But now we're going to fix that. I'm going to show you exactly how we download, organize, and store homilies so that you can always find them and use them without spending hours searching through old live streams. And to make it even easier, I've put together a free PDF checklist that'll walk you through the entire system step by step. You can download it below and follow along as we go. Step 1. Downloading your homily. Most priests live stream their masses or homilies, which means the recording already exists. You just need to download it. This is the easiest way, downloading it straight from YouTube. If your homily is on YouTube, just sign into your YouTube account, click on the YouTube Studio in the top right corner, and then go to Content and find your homily. Click the three dots next to the video and select Download. Then you can save it to your computer. It's that simple. Now you have a permanent file that you can use anytime. If your homily is on Facebook, it's a little trickier because Facebook doesn't give you a download option, but here's how you can do it. Go to your Facebook page and find your homily video and click on it. Copy the video link and paste it into a video downloading software. I use a 4K video downloader, and there's a paid and free option, and I'll have them both linked below. Lastly, click download in HD and save it. Some parishes upload homilies directly to their website but don't provide a download button, and if that's the case, here are some options. The first is to ask your tech person for access to the original file, and the second option is to use a screen recorder like QuickTime for Mac or OBS for Studio and PC to capture it. This isn't ideal, but it gets the job done. Okay, now moving on to step 2, organizing your homilies. Now that we've downloaded your homily, we need to store it in a way that makes sense. We use a simple but powerful folder system to keep everything organized. Here's how we structure it. First is to have a main homilies folder, then organize it by year, then liturgical season, and then a specific date and title. To make it even easier, we've created a ready-to-use Google Drive folder system that you can copy into your own account. Just download it below and everything will be set up for you. Step 3. Naming your files properly and future-proofing your homilies. One of the biggest mistakes priests make is they don't name their files in a way that actually makes sense. If your file is called Video 123 or Sunday Homily, good luck finding it in 6 months. Instead, use this simple naming format: year, month, date, homily title. For example, 2025, February 18th, The Power of Forgiveness. We've also included a file naming guide that you can print out and keep handy. If you follow these 3 steps, download, organize, and naming your homilies properly, you will never lose another homily again. Even better, every homily you preach becomes something you can reuse. If you want to share an old homily that's relevant again, it's there. Want to turn past homilies into a book? You have them saved. And want to create a homily podcast one day? Now you have everything ready to go. In the next video, I'll show you how to edit your homily so it's clear, engaging, and ready to be shared online. See you in the next video.